Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into a product that promises to brighten and repair the delicate skin around the eyes. Zoe Medical Hydrafirm Eye Brightening Repair Crème. This 0.5-ounce formula is from the renowned Zoe Skin Health brand, a line that's trusted for its science-backed skincare. I'll be giving you the lowdown on what this eye cream does, how it feels in real-world use, and whether it's worth the investment. Zoe Medical Hydrafirm Eye Brightening Repair Crème claims to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness while providing antioxidant protection and hydration. It contains a blend of active ingredients designed to target the delicate eye area, which is known to show signs of fatigue and aging first. This eye cream combines firming agents, peptides, and other rejuvenating ingredients that should help revitalize tired eyes. The formula is also said to deliver anti-inflammatory and brightening effects, thanks to its antioxidant properties. In terms of texture, the Hydrafirm Eye Brightening Repair Crème has a smooth, slightly thick consistency. It's easy to apply and absorbs relatively quickly without leaving a greasy residue. You can use it both in the morning and at night, and it fits seamlessly into any skincare routine, even if you're layering it with other products. When I first incorporated it into my routine, I noticed that the crème didn't irritate my sensitive eye area, which is always a win. It has a mild scent, but it's nothing overpowering, so if you're sensitive to fragrances, you won't need to worry. Over the course of testing it, I found it worked best when used consistently. About a week in, I noticed some reduction in puffiness, and the skin around my eyes felt hydrated and a little firmer. As for dark circles, the improvement was subtle but noticeable, with the skin looking less dull and more awake. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this crème is a real workhorse in terms of hydration. My under eye area feels nourished, and it stays moisturized for several hours, even in dry environments. The formulation is lightweight, which makes it suitable for those who don't want something too heavy under their makeup. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin, which is a key factor when dealing with the delicate eye area. On the downside, the price point might be a sticking point for some. While it's an effective product, it's definitely on the higher end. You're paying for the Zoe Skin Health brand, and while I do think the product delivers, it's not an inexpensive option. The packaging is also a bit basic for a high-end skincare item. And although the crème is hydrating, I didn't see dramatic changes in terms of wrinkles or fine lines. Is this crème good value for the price? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. The ingredients are solid, and it works well in terms of hydration, reducing puffiness, and giving your eye area a refreshed look. However, for those with a more extensive anti-aging regimen, you might want to look for a product that offers a bit more in terms of wrinkle prevention and long-term firmness. That said, it's a great option for anyone looking for a dependable, no-frills eye cream that works. If you're on the hunt for similar products at a lower price point, you could explore options from brands like CeraVe or Neutrogena. They both offer eye creams with good hydration and brightening properties at a more accessible cost. While they may not offer the same luxe feel as Zoe, they could provide the hydration and puffiness reduction you need for a fraction of the price. Overall, the Zoe Medical Hydrafirm Eye Brightening Repair Crème is a solid performer for those who need a gentle, effective eye cream that addresses puffiness and dark circles. However, the high price may not justify the results for everyone, especially if you're looking for more dramatic anti-aging effects. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this eye cream, drop a comment below and share your experience with us. We'd love to know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.